Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see HUAWEI logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And in the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, then select an option clear data, and then wipe cache partition. And after a few seconds all the cache from your device will be wiped, then you have to select back, restart, and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.